Welcome. Today we learn how to read value, Contra, dividend yield, and Flexi-Cap on diversified equity funds in India. These labels describe selection styles, how a scheme's process chooses names, not a promise that the fund will win the next market cycle. This matters when you compare funds, because a style word is often treated as proof of outperformance. By the end, you will name the three path families on the map, unpack value and Contra as separate ideas, and read each label as a process or opportunity set. You will reject converting any style label into an outcome guarantee. This is investor education, not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any fund. Here is the map for this lesson. Establish all three path families at once, then we will pick each idea with its own animation. Path family 1 is value and Contra, two different selection styles that often share a category label, which we will unpack separately. Path 2 is dividend yield, an emphasis on dividend-yielding equities, not an income guarantee. Path 3 is Flexi-Cap, freedom to move across market capitalizations under stated rules. Treat each path as a process and opportunity set under the SEBI categorisation framework, not as a cycle outperformance promise. Watch. We show all objects together first, then teach one by one. Start with value alone. Value is a selection style, how the scheme's process chooses names from the equity opportunity set. In plain language, a value process looks for businesses where the market price sits below the manager's view of fair or intrinsic value, a valuation gap, not a slogan. See the two measures, market price on one side, fair view on the other. When price is below that fair view, the process may treat the name as a value candidate under its stated rules. That gap is the idea. Value does not mean the stock must rise next month, and it does not guarantee the style will outperform every market cycle. Read the stated selection process first, then check whether holdings look consistent with that process. Now Contra, as its own idea, not a vague twin of value. Contra is short for contrarian. A Contra bet means the selection process looks for opportunities against the prevailing market consensus. The crowd is leaning one way, and the stated process is willing to look the other way. Think of consensus lean first, many voices pointing the same direction, then a Contra pick that deliberately faces the other way under the scheme's rules. That is the Contra stance, against consensus, not cheap because someone said fair value. Contra is not the same question as value. Value asks whether price sits below a fair value view. Contra asks what the consensus is leaning toward and where the process may select against that lean. Neither word guarantees a cycle win. Illustrative only, not a tip to chase neglected names. Next path, dividend yield funds. These emphasize equities that pay dividends, an opportunity set choice about which kinds of names the process leans toward. Emphasis is not the same as a household income guarantee. Dividends can change with company earnings and board decisions, and the fund's total return still includes price movement up or down. So read the label as emphasis within the equity opportunity set. Then check the current portfolio and disclosures rather than treating the word as a coupon promise that pays your bills every month. Flexi-Cap sits on a neighboring idea from the four-lens map, breadth of construction. Here, the style reading is simpler. Flexi-Cap describes freedom to invest across market capitalizations under the scheme's stated rules. See one opportunity set spanning size buckets, bigger companies, mid-sized names, and tinier names, under one freer movement band, not three separate category boxes glued together. Stated rules still bind, including minimum equity rules that still apply. Do not re-rank Flexi-Cap as a higher return rung than a single size band category. Keep the cross-size freedom idea, Then open disclosures. Leave the full breadth construction contrast to the category map lesson. Work this disclosure reading together. Here is an illustrative scheme information document style excerpt, not a recommendation of any real fund. The language says the scheme follows a value style and seeks equities that appear undervalued relative to the manager's assessment of fair or intrinsic value. First, do not convert value into a return forecast for this market cycle. Next, map value to selection style, how names are chosen under that fair value view. Finally, read the stated process and whether current holdings look consistent. The answer is the label describes an investment selection style and opportunity set, not a guaranteed result. The trap is assuming a style label guarantees outperformance every year. The same diligence habit applies when the word is Contra, Dividend Yield, or Flexi-Cap. Map the word to its process, then check disclosures. Keep this opposing case. The wrong reading treats a style label as proof that the fund will outperform every market cycle. The natural reading treats value, Contra, Dividend Yield, and Flexi-Cap as process and opportunity set words, then checks stated category rules, current portfolio, costs, and liquidity. Remember the split you learned. Value is a fair value gap reading. Contra is a against consensus bet. Dividend yield is emphasis, not coupon. Flexi-Cap is cross-size freedom under rules. A category is a starting point for diligence, not permanent proof of outcome. Recheck dated rules under the SEBI categorization circular rather than freezing the label. Here is the explanation to keep. Diversified equity-style labels, value, Contra, dividend yield, and Flexi-Cap, describe process and opportunity set, not cycle outperformance promises. Contra means contrarian, a bet against prevailing consensus, distinct from value's fair value gap. Comment with the style label that still feels unclear, subscribe for the next mutual fund lesson, and continue this lesson in the ExamMaster app.